Hey everyone, welcome to BARH. This place is like a hidden treasure in Bihar, India. It's right by the big Ganges River. BARH is really special. It has a cool history and beautiful views. It's part of the Patna district, about 50 kilometers southeast of Patna. The Ganges River flows right next to it, making the land green and good for growing things. BARH is more than just a city, it's full of stories. You can find these stories everywhere in the streets and buildings. Let's explore this awesome city together. BARH has a super long and interesting history. This small town in Bihar, India has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the signing of significant treaties, and the bustling life of ancient marketplaces. Its story is a tapestry woven with threads of ancient royalty, architectural marvels, and pivotal moments that shaped the region's destiny. It goes way back to ancient times. Archaeological evidence suggests that BARH was a thriving settlement even during the early Vedic period. The ruins scattered around the town tell tales of a bygone era where life was rich with culture and tradition. Kings and queens have walked these streets. The cobbled pathways and ancient structures echo with the footsteps of royalty. Imagine the grandeur of royal processions, the clinking of armor, and the vibrant celebrations that once filled these streets. The Mauryas and Guptas, they ruled here a long time ago, and you can still see their mark on BARH. The architectural styles from these dynasties are evident in the ancient monuments that dot the landscape. These structures stand as a testament to the town's historical significance and its role in the larger narrative of Indian history. A really important thing happened here in 1495. This year marked a turning point in BARH's history. The town became the focal point of a significant event that would be remembered for centuries. The Peace Treaty of BARH was signed, which stopped a war between Delhi and Bengal. That made BARH famous. This treaty not only brought peace to the region, but also elevated BARH's status as a place of diplomacy and negotiation. During the Mughal times, BARH was a busy place. The town's marketplaces were bustling with activity, filled with traders, artisans, and merchants from various parts of the country. The vibrant bazaars were a melting pot of cultures, where goods, ideas, and traditions were exchanged. A ruler named Sher Shah Suri built a huge resting place here with 200 rooms. This grand structure was not just a resting place, but a symbol of the architectural prowess and the strategic importance of BARH during his reign. Travelers could stop and relax there. These sarais were more than just inns, they were hubs of social interaction, where travelers from different regions would meet, share stories, and exchange news. Then, in 1877, the train came to BARH, connecting it to the rest of India. The arrival of the railway was a game changer for BARH, opening up new avenues for trade, travel, and communication. This brought new jobs and helped BARH grow. The town saw an influx of people seeking employment, leading to economic growth and development. The railway station became a bustling hub, symbolizing BARH's integration into the broader economic framework of India. BARH's history is full of peace, trade, and progress. From ancient times to the modern era, BARH has been a witness to significant events and transformations. Its rich history is a source of pride for its residents and a fascinating chapter in the story of India. BARH is a city of faith. There are temples everywhere, each one a testament to the city's rich spiritual heritage. As you walk through the streets, you can feel the devotion that permeates the air. The temples are not just places of worship. They are the heart and soul of the community, where people gather to celebrate, pray, and find solace. The architecture of these temples is a blend of ancient and modern styles, reflecting the city's long history and its continuous evolution. From the intricate carvings on the temple walls to the serene idols inside, every detail tells a story of devotion and reverence. Each one has a special story. These stories are passed down through generations, keeping the history and traditions alive. The old temples, with their historical architecture, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. They have seen the city grow and change, yet they remain steadfast, offering a glimpse into the past. Guides often share these stories with visitors, adding depth to the experience. Listening to these tales, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, feel the presence of those who came before. and understand the significance of these sacred spaces. The Durga Mandir is a symbol of strength. Dedicated to the goddess Durga, it stands as a beacon of power and protection. Devotees flock to this temple, seeking blessings and strength to overcome life's challenges. The atmosphere here is charged with energy as prayers and chants fill the air. The temple's vibrant festivals, especially during Navratri, draw large crowds, turning the entire area into a hub of activity and devotion. The Durga Mandir is not just a place of worship, it is a source of inspiration and hope for many. The Lakshmi Mandir represents good fortune. Dedicated to the goddess of wealth and prosperity, this temple is a favorite among those seeking financial stability and success. The serene environment of the Lakshmi Mandir offers a perfect setting for introspection and prayer. Devotees come here to offer their prayers and seek the blessings of the goddess, hoping for a prosperous future. The temple's architecture, with its intricate designs and peaceful ambience, adds to the overall sense of tranquility and devotion. The Ma Kali Mandir is a place of respect and wonder. Dedicated to the fierce goddess Kali, this temple is a powerful symbol of destruction and renewal. Worshippers come here to seek the goddess's protection and to find the strength to face their fears. The rituals performed at this temple are intense and deeply spiritual, reflecting the powerful energy of the goddess. The Ma Kali Mandir is a place where devotees can confront their inner demons and emerge stronger and more resilient. The Ganges River makes BARH even more special for religious people. Flowing through the city, the river is considered sacred and is an integral part of the spiritual landscape. The ghats along the Ganges are bustling with activity as people come to perform rituals, take holy dips and offer prayers. The river is believed to purify the soul and wash away sins, making it a vital part of the religious practices in BARH. The serene beauty of the Ganges, especially at sunrise and sunset, adds to the city's spiritual charm. People come here to pray and ask for blessings. The ghats are filled with devotees, each one lost in their own prayers and rituals. The sight of people offering flowers, lighting lamps and chanting mantras creates a mesmerizing and deeply spiritual atmosphere. Pilgrims from all over the country visit BARH to experience the divine presence of the Ganges and to seek blessings for themselves and their loved ones. The river, with its calm and wise demeanor, seems to listen to the prayers and offer solace to those who seek it. The river feels peaceful and wise. Its gentle flow and the soothing sound of the water create a sense of calm and tranquility. The Ganges is not just a river, it is a living entity, revered and respected by all. The sunsets over the river are particularly breathtaking, casting a golden glow over the water and creating a serene and almost magical atmosphere. The peacefulness of the Ganges provides a perfect backdrop for meditation and reflection, allowing people to connect with their inner selves and find peace. A Sikh leader, Guru Tegh Bahadur, visited BARH in 1666. His visit is a significant event in the city's history and it is commemorated by a memorial. The site where he stayed has become a place of pilgrimage for Sikhs, who come to pay their respects and seek inspiration from his teachings. Guru Tegh Bahadur's visit is a reminder of the city's rich and diverse spiritual heritage, and it highlights the importance of BARH as a center of faith and devotion. His visit is important to the Sikh community that lives here. The Sikh temple in BARH is a place of worship and community gathering, where people come together to pray, celebrate, and support each other. The teachings of Guru Tegh Bahadur continue to inspire the Sikh community, and his legacy is honored through various religious and cultural events. The sense of unity and devotion within the Sikh community adds to the overall spiritual fabric of BARH, making it a city where multiple faiths coexist harmoniously. Religious festivals in BARH are big celebrations with music, singing, and bright colors. These festivals are a time of joy and togetherness where people from all walks of life come together to celebrate their faith. The streets are filled with processions, dances, and performances, creating a vibrant and lively atmosphere. The festivals are not just religious events, they are a celebration of the city's cultural heritage and a testament to the strong sense of community that exists in BARH. BARH is a place where faith and spirituality are important. The city's spiritual practices are diverse and deeply rooted in tradition. From daily prayers and rituals to meditation and yoga, the people of BARH find various ways to connect with the divine. The city's spiritual energy is palpable, and it draws people from all over the world who seek to experience its unique blend of devotion, peace, and wisdom. BARH is not just a city, it's a sanctuary for the soul, where faith and spirituality are woven into the very fabric of life. Section 4, Powering Progress, BARH's Economic Significance. BARH isn't just about history and religion. It's a city that has a rich cultural heritage, but it's also a place that's rapidly evolving. The streets are bustling with activity, and the cityscape is a blend of the old and the new. The city is growing and changing at a remarkable pace. New buildings are springing up, and construction sites are a common sight. This growth is a testament to the city's dynamic nature and its potential for future development. Farming is really important here. The lush, green farmlands are a vital part of BARH's economy. Farmers work tirelessly to cultivate the land, ensuring a steady supply of food for the region. The fertile land near the river is particularly significant. Farmers grow a variety of crops here, taking advantage of the natural irrigation provided by the river. This not only supports the local economy, but also sustains the livelihoods of many families. The BARH thermal power station is a big deal. It's one of the major power stations in the region, and it plays a crucial role in meeting the energy needs of the area. It makes electricity for homes and businesses. The power generated here lights up homes, powers industries, and supports the daily activities of the people. It's brought new jobs to BARH and gives power to the whole area. The power station has created numerous employment opportunities, providing a stable income for many families and contributing to the overall economic growth of the city. BARH is a key part of the region's economy. The marketplaces are always bustling with activity, and the industrial areas are a hub of economic activities. This vibrant economic landscape is a clear indicator of BARH's significance in the region. It's a mix of old ways and new ways. Traditional craftspeople continue to practice their age-old skills, while modern agricultural machinery is being used to enhance productivity. This blend of tradition and modernity is what makes BARH unique. And it's all thanks to the hard work of the people who live here. The community's dedication and resilience are the driving forces behind BARH's progress. Whether it's in the fields, factories, or marketplaces, the people of BARH are committed to building a better future. BARH is working towards a bright future, with new construction projects underway and a community that's full of hope and determination. BARH is on the path to becoming a beacon of progress and prosperity in the region. Section 5, the heartbeat of BARH culture and heritage. BARH's culture is exciting and lively. There's music everywhere. Traditional dances tell stories of love, heroes, and myths. People here are skilled at making things, and these skills are passed down through families. The people of BARH are friendly and welcoming. They love to share their traditions with visitors. And you can't forget the delicious lai, a special sweet treat from BARH. It's a symbol of BARH's food traditions. BARH's culture is a mix of art, music, and traditions. It shows the heart and soul of its people. Section 6, Nurturing Minds, Education and Development in BARH. Education is very important in BARH. People here want to give their kids a good start. There are many good schools and colleges here. BARH is always changing and getting better. There are new roads and buildings everywhere. The government is helping to make life better for the people of BARH. BARH is growing and working hard to build a great future. Section 7, Discover the Charm, an invitation to BARH. BARH remembers its past but is excited about the future. It's a place where history comes alive and new things are always happening. Come and see how charming BARH is. Walk by the Ganges River, feel the peacefulness of the city. Visit the old temples, meet the friendly people. BARH is more than just a place to visit. It's an adventure. It's a trip into the heart of Bihar. Come and make your own BARH story.